Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. After the cloud cover cleared just enough this afternoon, temperatures soared into the mid to upper 70s for us here in many cases. We had 76 here in Lexington, a lot of mid 70s on the map for us tonight. And the sky is clearing out in some ways for us here to give us what will likely be a beautiful sunset this evening, reflecting off of those clouds. We're on sunset watch tonight with how beautiful things will be. Even in Somerset, where there are some low-hanging clouds, once the sun gets low enough, things are going to look pretty nice. Tonight we don't drop very far, mid to upper 60s at best, thanks to new cloud cover coming in and the chance for some showers and storms that you could wake up to early tomorrow morning. Then in the afternoon, where there's a lull in the action, we're going to see temperatures climb into the mid 70s before the cold front takes over. And we drop over 30 degrees into early Thursday morning. It is going to be chilly. Wind chills will be a factor again, possibly down into the 20s to start your day. 32, 34, 35 mile an hour wind gusts possible, maybe even then some, especially as we go through the middle of the day ahead of that cold front. That is going to bring us the chance for some strong storms. And that's really what we need to focus on the most, is what these notes are going to be about tomorrow's storms. There's going to likely be 2 rounds of showers and storms. Both could pose a severe threat, albeit the second one likely a bigger threat than the first. The big question is, can the atmosphere recover enough, and how does that dictate the strength of tomorrow evening's storms? Let's take a look here at the outlook of the day tomorrow. Yellow means level 2 out of 5. That's for everybody in the state of Kentucky. A chance at some scattered showers and storms. Now, a line of storms is likely to come in later in the day, and anywhere along that we could see enough gusty, damaging wind threat to produce some warnings as it travels across the state. So wind is our main concern in the straight line fashion. Within that line, some embedded spinning could take place. So tornadic activity is kind of on the secondary option for us. Hail, always a threat whenever we have thunderstorm activity, but it is kind of a lower threat at this point. And flooding is also down there as well, though we do expect to see some pockets of pretty heavy rainfall. Now tonight, a severe weather outbreak is likely across this warm front to our northwest. We won't be tapping into any of that. The dry line cold front combo already bringing quite a bit of severe weather through Texas right now. We're watching for some of the activity that is just to the east of those severe storms that could bring us our first round as we head into tomorrow morning. Yes, again, a couple of those showers could turn to strong thunderstorms early in the day. Here's what it looks like overnight tonight. Mostly cloudy as those clouds increase. Here is our first batch of storms, again packing the potential of some gusty, damaging winds and heavy rainfall. And as that continues mainly across northern zones through mid-morning, we'll have that activity to deal with. Now here's the kicker that we're looking for. There's a break coming here in the afternoon. This is our time to recharge the atmosphere in the afternoon, and if that takes place well enough, our severe threat is likely through the evening hours, 5 to 10 p.m. as that cold front pushes by, and this is where we could see all those other options of wind, hail, and again the brief spinning opportunity for us. That cold front blows by, we get some pockets of heavy rain into the later overnight hours, and then by early Thursday things start to wrap up for us. Some sunshine coming your way for Thursday midday and afternoon. But again, look where these temperatures go. They fall off in a big way. High temperature only near 49 on Thursday. Into the weekend, some 60s, 70 again on Sunday, but scattered showers turn us over to the chance for some snow.